Welcome to another How to Crypto video. Today we will explore the latest Ethereum upgrade, Dencun. We'll dive into some of the key features and improvements of this upgrade, and what it means for the future of the Ethereum ecosystem. At the heart of the Dencun upgrade is proto-dank sharding, introduced through EIP 4844. This key feature aims to significantly reduce the costs for Layer 2 rollups by introducing blob-carrying transactions. Blobs, or binary large objects, attach large chunks of data to regular transactions, which temporarily store this information off-chain. This enables more efficient handling of sizable data volumes by increasing the network's data throughput, while reducing its storage burden. The Dencun upgrade also includes several Ethereum improvement proposals, also known as EIPs. These advancements aim to boost network security and efficiency by improving the interaction between consensus layers and revising key smart contract functionality. EIP 7044 and 7045 seek to improve the Ethereum staking process by addressing aspects of voluntary exits and attestation inclusion. This will result in a much smoother and flexible staking experience for Ethereum users. In order to optimize cost efficiency, new opcodes have been introduced, thereby enhancing smart contract execution and transient storage capability. After completing its mainnet launch on May 13th, the Dencun upgrade represents Ethereum's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation. By addressing scalability, enhancing security, and optimizing network efficiency, Dencun is set to bolster Ethereum's position as a leading blockchain platform. That wraps up our overview of the Ethereum Dencun upgrade. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more developments in the exciting world of blockchain technology.